Good afternoon, good morning to all people. My name is Grady Ingram. I'm from Chesapeake, Virginia. I'm a merchant mariner of 30 plus years. Uh, I have ankle recession glaucoma, which resulted in losing the eye in 2017. I found advanced artificial eyes online. I was recommended to another ocularist in Virginia. There's no way they were going to put a Jimmy Dean sausage patty in my head. I had recommendations to excavate the eye, which scared the crap out of me. I went down to Houston, I went down to Mexico, and I could not trust their work. So I did a Google search like you all should do, just to check and see what you have. And I came across John Stolpe, Artificial Advanced Eyes, out in Woodland Hills, California. I am now happy. If you're looking to restore your sight, restore your confidence, technology. They have the only technology in the world. I know you think I'm joking. They have the only technology, patented technology, to make you an eye. And if you're looking at my eyes now, I guarantee you, with your naked eye, unless you were an ocularist, you'll probably have the hardest time trying to figure out which one did John do, him and his team. Phenomenal. I sleep better, I walk better, it's super comfortable. They go through, when you come out to artificial eyes, they're gonna give you the red carpet. You stay at the hotel across the street. It's in a central location. I know you think in LA, you got gang violence and all that. That's none of that. It's, they have good food if you're vegan. The one thing I wish I knew about prosthetic eyes before I started was to go and get the right person. I never had a stock eye, which means because that's what they're going to give you. They're going to give you an eye. If you go see anyone else out of advanced artificial eyes, they're going to give you a stock eye, which means they're going to give me the same eye they're going to give you, or the same eye that they're going to give another guy. And it's not fitted to you, your color, your personality, all of that. And the only reason they can give you identical to yourself is because of the technology that's been passed down from John's grandfather, father. You can't beat it. I am overjoyed, and I say that with the utmost sincerity. I actually feel like a burden is been lifted off my shoulders. I no longer have to worry about whenever I'm in a conversation that the topic of the conversation is my eye. I'm not judged about, oh, he's 6'8", 265 pounds with, what's wrong with his eye? So people forget who you are as a person. They don't know what you've been through. They don't know what caused you to have a problem with needing a prosthetic or prosthesis. John has a wonderful team. He had, from Cody to Brett, Mark. Is that Mark, the other ocularist? What's his name? Yeah, Mark, right?
Downstairs, yeah.
Yeah, Mark. Yeah, you can't beat it. You can't beat these guys. Everyone has been through through the gauntlet of needing a prosthetic. They care. They are deeply passionate about what they're doing. John, actually, I feel like I just got the ticket to the Wonka factory. Willy Wonka. Amazing. I'm not a paid spokesperson. No one is giving me anything. This is genuine from the heart. Like I said, I took the journey to advance artificial eyes because I read every review on Google, and they are worth the price of admission. They really are. I wish I had more time to stay here, even though I've been here a week. It feels like a vacation. It feels like a celebration. I feel like it's my birthday. It feels like every holiday that you could have. My walk is different. When I walk now, my back is straight. Not that I never had confidence, but it's been restored. Now I used before advanced artificial eyes, whenever I had conversation with people and they always say, hey, when you talk to someone, look them in their eyes. I could never do that because I was kind of ashamed and embarrassed because I didn't have the prosthesis. Now, my advanced artificial eyes have converted me to Denzel Washington. I look good. And I just wanted you guys to see it. I didn't follow, they gave you, I didn't want to follow anything. I wanted to give it to you straight from myself. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. You can't tell. You can't tell. You can't tell. And it's not gonna fall out. That's the other ones, those stock ones, if you wanna save money, go ahead. But you're gonna be miserable. You're gonna be miserable, and the money that you spent, that you could have came to advance artificial eyes. I know you guys are thinking insurance. Very simple, medically necessary. That's what they want to hear. Medicaid, all of them, they'll take. You just got to be medically necessary. You got to see ophthalmologists. You get what you need. You can get your life back. I have my life back. I am overjoyed. I'm happy. I'm doing this because I want everyone else out there to see this video and to understand. I didn't shave because I wanted to start from ground up. I said, I'm gonna start from the eyes, inside. I'm going from the eyes. When I leave here, I'm going to the stylist. I know I got a little gray. I might keep a little gray. We're gonna look good. I'm ready to go out and take pictures. I used to stop taking pictures. I used to wear glasses with half a gradient so you wouldn't see the eye. And I want to thank I want to thank the whole advanced artificial eye team. They are the best in the United States. They are the best in the world, on the globe. You can Google it. You can look high and low. And I guarantee everything I'm saying is going to be true. So I'm going to end this interview by saying, come to advance artificial eyes. Get what you need. Get your personality back. Get your confidence back. Get your life back. And it's not as expensive as you think. So I'll leave you with that, and you guys have a good evening.